We see the mathematical logic part 3. First of all, we see the quantifiers and quantified statement. For this, consider the following statement. Let P as there exist and even prime numbers in the set of natural numbers, and Q as all natural numbers are positive. या दोन स्टेटमेंटमध्ये there exist and for all या दोन वर्डला quantifiers असे म्हणतात. There exist is called existential quantifier and is denoted by the symbol. For all is called universal quantifier and is denoted by the symbol. Statements involving quantifiers are called quantified statements. For universal quantifier, a statement quantified by universal quantifier is true if all objects in the collection satisfy the condition, and it is false if at least one object in the collection does not satisfy the condition. For existential quantifier, a statement quantified by existential quantifier is true if at least one object in the collection satisfies the condition, and it is false if no object in the collection satisfies the condition. यावर अदर काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण पाहूया. Example number 1. If capital A is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Determine the truth value of the following statements. Existential quantifier is x is element of A such that x minus 4 is equal to 3. Solution. For x is equal to 7, x minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 7 satisfies the equation x minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, the given statement is true and its truth value is capital T. Second example. Universal quantifier x is element of A. X plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3. Solution. For x is equal to 1, x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is not greater than or equal to 3. For x is equal to 1, x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 is not true. Therefore, the truth value of the given statement is false. Example. Universal quantifier x is element of A. 8 minus x is less than or equal to 7. Solution. For each x is element of A. 8 minus x is less than or equal to 7. The given statement is true. Its truth value is capital T. Next example. Existential quantifier x is element of A such that x plus 8 is equal to 16. Solution. There is no value of x in capital A which satisfy x plus 8 is equal to 16. The given statement is false. Its truth value is capital F. Quantifier बाबत एक remarks महत्वाचा आहे. Open sentences is converted into statement by using quantifiers. Next point, dual. If two statements contain logical connectives like and, or, and letters T and C, then they are said to be duals of each other if one of them is obtained from the other by interchanging or with and T with C. For example, write the duals of the following. First, P and Q or R. या ठिकाणी dual करताना conjunction चे इथे disjunction and disjunction चे इथं conjunction sign द्यावयाचे आहेत. The duals of the given statement is P or Q and R. Second problem, P or into big bracket negation Q and small bracket P or Q and negation R. या ठिकाणी ड्युएल करताना निगेशनचं साइन चेंज करायचं नाही, ते तसंच ठेवायचं. फक्त कंजक्शन असेल तिथं डिजंक्शन, डिजंक्शन असेल तिथं कंजक्शन. कसं ते पहा. The duals of the given statement is P and big bracket negation Q or small bracket P and Q or negation R. Next example, P and T bracket complete or C and negation Q bracket complete. या ठिकाणी ड्युएल्स करताना T च्या इथं C मांडायचं आणि C च्या इथं T मांडायचं. म्हणजे the duals of the given statement is P or C and T or negation Q. Negation of compound statements. First, negation of conjunction. The negation of P and Q is negation P or negation Q. Using truth table, verify that negation of P and Q is equivalent negation P or negation Q. For example, the negation of 6 is even and perfect number is 6 is not even or not perfect number. Second point, negation of disjunction. The negation of P or Q is negation P and negation Q. Using truth table, verify that negation of P or Q is equivalent negation P and negation Q. For example, the negation of x is prime or y is even is x is not prime and y is not even. या ठिकाणी negation of conjunction and negation of disjunction are called De Morgan's law. Next point, negation of conditional. The negation of the statement if P then Q is the statement P and not Q. Using truth table, verify that negation of P conditional Q is equivalent P and negation Q. For example, if bakery is open, then I will buy a cake for you. Its negation is bakery was open and I didn't buy a cake for you. Negation of biconditional. The biconditional P biconditional Q is the conjunction of the statement P conditional Q and Q conditional P. Therefore, P biconditional Q is equivalent P conditional Q and Q conditional P. The negation of the statement P if and only if Q is the statement P and not Q or Q and not P. Using truth table, verify that negation of P biconditional Q is equivalent P and negation Q or Q and negation P. For example, the number is an even number if and only if it is divisible by 2. The negation of this statement is a number is even but not divisible by 2, or a number is divisible by 2 but not even. Next one, converse, inverse and contrapositive. From implication P conditional Q, we can obtain 3 implications. First, converse of P conditional Q is equal to Q conditional P. Second, inverse of P conditional Q is equal to negation P conditional negation Q. Third, contrapositive of P conditional Q is equal to negation Q conditional negation P. For example, write the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statements. If it rains, then the match will be cancelled. या ठिकाणी पहिलं स्टेटमेंट स्प्लिट अप करायचं. पहिलं let P as it rains and Q as the match will be cancelled. First converse formula Q conditional P as if the match is cancelled then it rains. Second inverse formula negation P conditional negation Q. Statement if it does not rain then the match will not be cancelled. Third contrapositive formula negation Q conditional negation P. The statement is if the match is not cancelled then it does not rain. Negation वरचे काही problems पाहूया. Example, write the negation of the following statement. First, 3 plus 3 is less than 5 or 5 plus 5 is equal to 9. Let P as 3 plus 3 is less than 5 and Q as 5 plus 5 is equal to 9. Given statement in symbolic form P or Q and its negation formula is negation of P or Q is equivalent negation P and negation Q. The negation of the given statement 3 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5 and 5 plus 5 is not equal to 9. या ठिकाणी less than च negation greater than or equal to and is equal to च negation is not equal to असं sign वापरायचे. Second example, the number is neither odd nor perfect square. Solution, let P as the number is odd and Q as the number is perfect square. Given statement can be written as the number is not odd and not perfect square. Its symbolic form negation P and negation Q. Then its negation is negation of into bracket negation P and negation Q is equivalent P or Q. The negation of the given statement is the number is odd or perfect square. Next example, 7 is greater than 3 and 4 is greater than 11. Let P as 7 is greater than 3 and Q as 4 is greater than 11. The given statement in symbolic form P and Q. Its negation is negation of P and Q is equivalent negation P or negation Q. The negation of the given statement is 7 is less than or equal to 3 or 4 is less than or equal to 11. Quantified statementचे negation कसं करतात ते बघूया. Example, write the negation of the following statements. A. All natural numbers are rational. या ठिकाणी all म्हणजे universal quantifier. The negation of the statement is some natural numbers are not rationals. इथे all चे इथे some use करायचं. Second example, some students of class 10th are 16 years old. The negation of the statement is all students of class 10 are not 16 year old. या ठिकाणी some म्हणजे existential त्याचा opposite घ्यायचं आपण universal all घ्यायचं. Next example, existential quantifier n is element of n such that n plus 8 is greater than 11. The negation of the statement is universal quantifier n is element of n, comma, n plus 8 is less than or equal to 11. Next example, universal quantifier x is element of n. 2x plus 1 is odd. Here, the negation of the statement is existential quantifier x is element of n such that 2x plus 1 is not odd.